Hi and Assalamualaikum. I am Intan Kairunisa binti Muhammad Puzi and my friend Nur Azlinda binti Azman, Juwita binti Rahim and Nini Farahana binti Muhammad Sapini from BA 1155E want to talk and explain about the advantage of having medical card. Medical card is a card issued by a primary care trust, local health board, health authority, health board or health and social service board to a person for the purpose of enabling him to obtain or establishing his title to receive primary medical service. The primary function of a medical card is to pay for your hospital admission, surgeries, and medical treatment. The medical card will take care of the medical bills in return for the regular premium that people pay to the insurance.
So this is some of the advantage of medical card to the insured.
Firstly, having a medical card will provide one less thing to worry about, ensuring that one is able to focus on recovery. Besides, with the uncertain in life coupled with rise in lifestyle disease, one will never know when a life-threatening illness or incident is just around the corner and be life-changing. Therefore, it's best to be prepared with educated coverage for when the uncertain happen. Furthermore, as with financial planning, that is best to begin as early as possible. It is never too early to start getting your own medical plan and keeping yourself secure, especially when emergency medical situation arise. Plus, certain illnesses tend to be more apparent with the rise in age, and this may cause restriction on purchasing a medical plan due to poorer health. Next, receive cash allowance. Most policies offer a cash allowance if you choose to get treatment at a government hospital instead of at a private center as part of an initiative. The allowance is usually fixed, for example, 100 per day based on your plan, and it capped to a certain number of days or amount. Other than that is guardian benefit. Nobody likes staying in a hospital lonely. Thankfully, some medical cards offer to reimburse expenses for food and lodging for your hospital body. Zurich Flex Medical pays up to 400 depending on the plan, no matter the age of the hospitalist person. Note though that some cards provide this benefit for insured children only, those under the age of 15 years. MSIG, for instance, offer up to 500 as the guardian benefit for your child, depending on the plan.
Another advantage of having a medical card is that you won't have to see your hard-earned savings disappear when you need medical care and treatment. Your savings will be protected, and you can still get the care you need if you have enough medical coverage or health insurance. In addition, there are medical cards that offer family coverage, eliminating the need to purchase additional insurance for your dependents. If something were to happen to them, this would ensure that they receive the greatest medical care possible, and knowing that your loved ones were taken care of would give you a peace of mind.
In addition, some medical cards really provide you the choice to get a second medical opinion on your diagnosis. If you have been given a severe disease diagnosis, with this, you won't have to be concerned about the expenses of learning more about your conditions and your available treatment alternative. Additionally, if you are admitted to the hospital due to an illness, your policy can offer additional income in addition to a monetary allowance. This extra cash payment can be useful for paying for your family members' transportation, housing, and other non-hospitalization related expenses.
Aside from that, Get overseas emergency assistance are also one of the advantages of having a medical card. For the example, when you are traveling, the last thing you want is to be sick or get into an accident. But unfortunately, this tends to happen even to the most vigilant among us. Most medical cards provide international emergency assistance when you travel, such as emergency medical evacuations. Some even cover flight ticket expenses for a relative to visit you if you are scheduled for a long-term hospital admittance, typically 10 days and above. Next, the advantages of having medical card is receive personal accident insurance. Most medical cards provide one-time payouts in the event you become involved in an accident and suffer a disability. Cornea, for instance, offers a lump sum payout of up to 15,000 total permanent disability case that are caused by accidental injuries. Also, the advantages of having medical card is receive alternative treatments. When you get sick, you will want the option to pursue a treatment that is right for you. If alternative medicine is the preferred route, some cards do offer the option of reimbursements for acupuncture and chiropractic treatments. Next, the advantages of having medical card is inflation. Inflation on medical expenses is happening and will continue to cause rise in expenses. When hospitalization and surgery is involved during treatment, costs will quickly rise up. By being covered with a medical insurance, you will get to alleviate the burden of medical inflation while opting for quality treatment without worrying about how much it will cost you. We have laid out the advantages of having a medical card. In conclusion, a medical card will assist you in safeguarding your well-being and assets. You have a better chance of recuperating quickly without having to drain your bank account if you can receive
That's all
emergency
for this
medical care
topic from
without
our
having to pay
group.
for it.
I hope you guys will understand about this medical card advantage. We also want to thank our lecturer, Madam Jo Aiza Benti Johari, for her guidance toward this video presentation.